Hey, Tripp Kramer here from trippadvice.com, and on today's video, what I want to talk about is how to get a girl to lose control in the bedroom. What do I mean by that? I mean, I want you to make her feel completely uninhibited, completely unself-conscious when she's around you. Why? Because this is going to make for you and her to have the most amazing, intimate experience together. Imagine you were with a woman and all of your nervousness was completely gone, and you could live out any fantasy that you wanted and feel totally comfortable with that. Wouldn't that be amazing? I'm sure it would, right? Just remove all of the shyness, all of the nervousness. Well, that's gonna feel amazing for a woman too. And so what we wanna do to get her to that point is create what I call a safe space for her. Now, there are many different ways to do this, and in fact, I also have a couple of sex coaches who are gonna be guest posting right now, giving you some of their very best tips to tell you how you can be able to create this safe space for her.
One simple way to have a woman feel comfortable in the bedroom is to make sure that the bedroom is comfortable. And what I mean by that is that the clothes are picked up, the bed is made, it doesn't smell bad, and that you've taken some time to either put some music on, set some candles out, or dim the lights. Having a comfortable space has every woman feel really good and really taken care of. The other thing that I would recommend is getting to know your erotic blueprint. The erotic blueprint is the love language for your sex, pleasure, desire, and turn on. Every person has a different one, so if you can find out which one your partner is, then you can set the stage and be with your partner based on what their needs are. If a woman feels seen, heard, and understood, she's more likely to want to get to know you, to spend more time with you, and to go to the bedroom with you.
One way I believe you should be doing this is by practicing non-judgment. So this means that this is gonna start from the minute you start talking to her, the minute you meet her, the minute you go on the first date with her, all the way until the time that you guys are in the bedroom and are intimate together. All right, so what does this mean? That means that if sex ever comes up, if fantasies ever come up, if anything you guys are talking about in terms of desires come up, that you're not making her feel self-conscious for it. You're not judging her for it, right? Judging means that you are looking at something and saying that you're judging whether it is right or whether it is wrong. So in fact, the opposite of that is completely respecting her desires and her wishes and what she likes, just like she should be doing for you. And so when you're practicing this non-judgment, when you're listening with an open ear, when you're listening and you're not showing her that you're disgusted or weirded out by what she likes, and then you can create that safe space, as I'm calling it, for her to be able to talk about this stuff and for you not to feel weird around the idea of sex. This safe space makes her feel better about opening up to you. And this is all going to translate to the point where you guys are in the bedroom together, right? Because really foreplay starts when you guys are first talking to each other, when you're first meeting each other and figuring out if you guys have that connection with each other. And so it all starts from the very point that you meet.
Hi, this is sex and relationship coach Caitlin V. Neal. The best way to get a woman to lose her inhibitions with you in bed is by giving her permission to do so. By telling her that no matter what happens, what she does, what she wants to do, what her body does, that you're gonna be there with her judgment free. You're actually creating a space where she's free and she's not worried about being considered a slut or a skank or looking badly in your eyes. So the exact line that you can use is, hey, I want you to know that no matter what comes up or what it is that we do here, I'm never gonna judge you. And that's it. If you use that, you will find that you can create an inhibition-free zone for you and your woman to get down and have a great sexual experience.
Beyond having a safe space for her emotionally, you also want to have a safe space for her physically. That means that you should be getting consensual sex, okay? That means that you should be asking her if she's interested in doing that. Now, I know a lot of guys are like, isn't that gonna ruin the mood? No, it's not gonna ruin the mood. If she's interested in having sex with you, she's not gonna stop right there just because you asked if she wants to do it. And trust me when I say that consensual sex is the best form out there. Of course, it is the right thing to do. It makes her feel comfortable, and you should make her feel safe. And also, it's gonna help with her feeling more comfortable and uninhibited with you while you guys are in the bedroom, because she's gonna feel safe and she's gonna have that trust and knowing that you're not just trying to manipulate or somehow get your way in there sneakily, instead of actually just being upfront with the fact that you want to be physical with her. Now, you just heard from some of my friends who were very, very helpful in this area of sex relationships, so if you want more information about them, I'm gonna also put links in the description down below. Now, in order to build tension with her and to really turn her on and get her in the mood, I want you to check out Tripp's tension technique. It's 100% free, it's in the description down below. Click that link and I'm gonna send you a video of a demo of me and another girl doing Tripp's tension technique. So you're gonna see exactly step by step how it's done so you can use it the next time you are with a girl. So go get that, write a comment down below and tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.